Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Trevor Burger Custom Knives Lex here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and let me know if you like this little fella right over here. Nice front flipper from South Africa. It is pretty cool. There's one thing that I'm not a fan of, and it's... yeah. It's using T6 Torx bits, which is not fantastic. Also, the pivot is not captive, so you're gonna need the help of a second screwdriver, which comes in handy right over here, and the screw comes off like that. So that's pretty good. T6 are, yeah, not my favorite. You need to be really careful. They are tiny, and for example, in this case you get a T6 which is screwed in directly into the titanium, which is probably not my favorite combo, like for a handle screw. But anyways, it's not the end of the world. And let's see why this fella doesn't want to. There you go, just a little gentle wiggle and boom, we are done. I believe these are skiff bearings. They appear so. That is one. And that is two. And I'm gonna grab a microfiber, no, sorry, not a microfiber, nothing. Just like a alcohol swab. And I'm gonna start doing the blade, like so. The bearing pocket, like so. Tang of the blade. And the actual blade itself. Nice hand rub. And that is done. I'm gonna approach the scale like so. Collar as well. That's done. And the other scale, TBC on the inside. Nice stainless steel lock face insert. Just cleaning, just pushing the pivot out to clean all this area here and the pivot itself. And the two bearings, definitely skiff. And the spacer, titanium, anodized, matching the clip. And we're done with the cleaning, and let's put this thing back together. Pretty straightforward. You put the bearings in, and you're gonna use a little bit of 10 weight nano oil, just a little drop on the detent ball. Grab your blade in place, grab your bearing in place, 1, 2, and 3, and done with the nano oil. Just like so, and pretty much we're done. So this guy goes, no, the other way around, like so. Just put the scale on top, just leave a little bit of room. Actually, I'm just gonna do like so, just aligning this hole right there. All right, so then I can do this trick like this, align the other hole. There you go. So everything is in place now, and we can just screw everything in place. So I'm just gonna start from the back screw right over here, which doesn't want to go inside. It's okay, it's all right. Maybe this wants to go. There you go, you see. This is a nicer screw than the other one. Maybe this one, peer pressure, saw that the other went in, and look at that. This one also is going in. Very good. Nicely lined up. Let me double check these. There you go. I'm grabbing the pivot screw here and just screwing this back in place like there. Blade is centered, nice and snappy. Very cool. I like the action much better now. This, I can't with the index. It's like a thumb. Affair. Very cool, actually. Nice. I like it. There you have it, guys. Hope you really enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.